What's the meaning of cheer? Cheer. Cheer.
Share. Share. Share is a verb that means to show support or encouragement for someone or something, often through enthusiastic shouting, applause, or other forms of vocal expression. When someone is cheered, it can lift their spirits, boost their confidence, and inspire them to keep going despite difficulties or setbacks. Cheering can also create a positive atmosphere of camaraderie and team spirit, bringing people together around a common goal or cause. Overall, cheering is a powerful way to demonstrate solidarity and express positive emotions in a collective setting.